Salam and welcome back to another very exciting Photoshop tutorial. My name is Visha and today I'm going to show you how to create this double exposure effect in Photoshop in just 3 minutes. Alright, first I'm going to insert this image into the Photoshop and then I'm going to use the object selection tool to cut out this guy. I'm going to use the rough cutout just for the sake of this tutorial. You can watch my other videos to see how I do precise cutouts. I'm using the lasso tool to bring back some parts, and then I'm going to go to select and mask. I'm going to decrease the shift edge to maybe -5, increase the smoothness, increase the feather amount, and press OK. And then I'm going to press add layer mask. Then I'm going to go down here and click this button and click the solid color, pick white color, press OK, bring this guy down. This is going to be the background PG. Now I'm going to bring the next picture, which is going to be this one. Rotate this guy, increase the size, I'm pressing Shift and Alt, hit enter, and I'm going to make it screen in the blend mode. Let's go ahead and adjust this layer like so, and if you want to get rid of this part, you can just go to image, adjustments, levels, and adjust this slider to the left and this slider right. Press OK. And if you want to show some parts of the face, then you can just go ahead and create a mask and paint the mask with black color, just like that. And if you want some trees to pop out from here, you can just go to this mask and paint here with white color. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial and learned something today. Go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out any tutorials in the future. And leave a like and comment down below what I should be making next. This video is made for a comment request from my last 3-minute video. I hope you all are staying healthy and staying safe, and I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video. So until then, salam.